We are getting the ball rolling today with Jared Levy, president of Delancey Strategies. Jared, what's your trader view on this Tuesday's market action?
Well, I got to say it, even though it's Tuesday and the Super Bowl was 2 days ago, got to give it a shout out to my Philadelphia Eagles. Good way to start the week for me. Here we are Tuesday. Obviously, we're getting some commentary from Chairman Powell this morning. We've got CPI and PPI data out this week. Inflation is the key. One of the things I want to talk about today, really quick, really critical. We're seeing an increased amount of uncertainty from business leaders. Remember, obviously, a lot of folks were looking for, sort of Trump to come in, bring down all the regulatory walls, and all this confidence has sort of surged in, a lot of stocks and companies out there. What we're seeing is actually what was the quietest January for merger and acquisition deals in over a decade. And that's a problem. And what that's telling us is, folks are a little skittish. They are concerned, and they're not doing the deals that we hoped that they would get done. Will they get done eventually? Will we see a surge in M&A? I believe so, but that might not happen until the end of the year. So I'm paying close attention to that marketplace because that's going to drive a lot of the value and excitement for smaller and mid-cap companies. So again, watching the deals, watching inflationary data this week, and keeping a close eye on technicals. In the NASDAQ and the S&P and all the major indices, we want to see good, strong technicals. And we're kind of seeing a little bit of a breakdown. There's some sideways movement right here. So again, Angie, looking for any break in either direction. But right now, I'm not as bullish as I was last week, a little more cautious this week.
What's your trader pick for today?
Gold is telling us right now that people are two things. A, they're afraid, they're skittish, they're concerned, they're moving into gold, not to U.S. Treasuries, because remember, inflation's still high, our fiscal house isn't in order. Bitcoin solves for both of those things. Remember, it's a scarce, quote unquote, commodity. It is also a place that people are starting to go towards a safe haven. I know that sounds crazy, but there's this growing sort of belief out there, not only that Bitcoin is a real asset and it's going to be held across, millions and millions of customer accounts, but that it's a place you can go to hedge yourself from the risks of fiat currencies such as the US dollar, euro, etc. So again, I love Bitcoin here. I think you need to own it in your portfolio. Again, don't go all in, but small pieces of it. I think we see nothing but upside in Bitcoin. Obviously some volatility, but I love it for the next 6 months.
Wow, you are really focused on Bitcoin. Thank you for bringing that to us, Jared. Have a great trading day.
Thanks, guys.